Hey gals and guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial of knotless box braids, and I'm just going to get right into it, guys. So here I am just showing you how I start off the braid. So basically my method is that I just do like a normal plait, and in the back I kind of did like 3-4 plaits first, and then I added in the hair. And you will be able to see later exactly like kind of like a close-up view of how I add in the hair, but you can see here. And honestly, towards the back I kind of only added in 2 pieces of hair, where towards the front I actually added in 4 feed-in pieces, if that makes sense. But stay tuned and you will see exactly what I mean. Okay, so as you can see, I am adding a lot of gel in my hair. I'm actually using jam. So I would just make sure that you're using that as much as you need to, because you don't want any frays and you want your braids to be really just secured and neat. Okay, so here you can see how I'm doing it a little bit better. Feed-in braids are just a little bit complicated just because you kind of have to have your own technique, and basically you can see here how I do mine. I basically take the hair and wrap it around my hand, and then I use the right piece and put it in between my index finger and my thumb, and then I do a plait, and then I continue to braid as I grab that other piece. So here I'm actually adding in another piece before I continue to do the plait. So once you kind of get your own form and your technique down, you could do that, but I would just suggest when you're first starting out just to, you know, add in one piece at a time and then do a couple plaits and then maybe add in another piece of hair. And if you guys have any questions about this, just leave it in the comments below and I will try to explain it as best as I can. But really, when it comes to feed-in braids, you just have to develop your own technique, and all it is practice makes perfect. So just keep trying and you will get it in no time, I promise. Okay, so you have no idea how excited I am that I am on the last couple braids. My face doesn't show it, but I promise you guys, I am so excited because this was definitely a long process, but you know, I'm loving the results and so will you. So here they are. They're so pretty, I love them. They feel so light, like I can't even tell that I have braids on my head right now. Like I love that, and I love the color like I said, and the length is so beautiful. I've never had braids this long before. Honestly, I wasn't expecting to do braids this long, but when I opened the pack of hair, I'm just like, oh my god, well, I have to commit to this then. So it took a while, I would say like 6 to 8 hours. Honestly, I didn't even keep track. I did it in segments, and I was taking care of my daughter at the same time, but they're done, and that's all that matters. Here they are, and I hope you love yours, and I hope you actually do them, and I hope you commit to doing braids this long, because let me tell you, it's super worth it. Let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I will gladly respond. Thank you so much for watching. Love you.